Okay, in this part 3, we're going to finish our building. So we have gone back now to the multi-sub-object parameters, and we are going to select our material ID number 1, and just select right here so we can go into the parameters of that material. And we want to select, we're going to actually use a color. We're going to work on our roof right now. So we're just going to select the diffuse color swatch right here, and we're just going to make it a black, and then we're going to do OK, and we're going to call it roof for our material. All right. At this point, our roof over here should turn black, which it does. All right, so now we just want to apply some materials to the other side of the buildings and make sure that everything looks good when we merge it into our building. And we also might want to work a little bit on our tiling of our building, okay? Okay, and to do that, we want to go back to Parent so we can see our multi-sub-object basic parameters. And you'll need to find out the numbers for the sides of the building. And if you just go to Edit Mesh, Polygon, and select on the side of the building and come down here, you can see that that one is 6. I've checked my two sides and they are 4 and 6. So I know I'm going to come in here to 4 and 6, and that's where I'm going to apply the material. So I'm just going to come in here to my side 4, and you can go and get the material if you want. So what you might want to do too, don't forget how we can drag it from the material browser. So if I want to go back to Parent, I can open up the material browser, set browser, sorry, and I can drag whatever you want on the side of the building. We've got the front. You know, you can look at these and see here's a side and there's the front. So I just might want to drag the slide into number 4 and into number 6. There we go. So that when I render my building, all 4 of my sides should have a material. Okay? And then if you want to, you can go into each material, like you can look at one of your materials. That happens to be the front, and you can go in to each one of them and work on the tiling to change. See how I did that? To make your building look a little bit better. It just takes a little bit of work, and working with tiling is just something you have to get used to. See how I have that much better on that side, and then you can go on to the next side. Okay, so work on your tiling and try to get your building all squared up, and then in the next tutorial we'll merge our building into Toontown. Okay.